In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a shadow effect on text in Canva. Start by opening your Canva project so you can see the design you're working on. Click the text you want to style. You'll notice the top toolbar updates with options for that text. Look for the Effects button and click it to open the Text Effects panel. In the list of styles, choose Shadow. You're now ready to fine-tune the look. First, adjust the offset. Offset controls how far the shadow sits from your text. A small offset keeps the shadow tight and subtle, which is great for a clean professional look. A larger offset pushes the shadow farther out, creating stronger depth and a more dramatic feel. Watch your spacing so the letters remain easy to read, especially on busy backgrounds. Next, set the direction. Direction changes the angle of the shadow, as if you're choosing where the light is coming from. Pick a direction that matches the flow of your design. If you're styling multiple text elements in the same project, use a consistent direction so everything feels cohesive. Now refine the blur. Blur softens the edges of the shadow. Low blur gives you a crisp, high contrast edge that looks sharp and modern. Higher blur produces a softer glow that blends gently into the background. If the shadow starts to look muddy, ease off the blur or nudge the offset closer. Adjust the transparency to control intensity. Lower transparency creates a lighter, more subtle shadow that supports the text without overpowering it. Higher transparency makes the shadow darker and bolder, which can help the text pop against bright images. Aim for a balance where the shadow enhances legibility without stealing attention. Finally, choose the color. Black or a deep gray is classic and reliable for most designs. For a creative twist, try a color pulled from your image or brand palette. A colored shadow can add warmth or a stylish accent, but keep contrast in mind. If the background is dark, a lighter shadow color can look sleek. If the background is light, a darker tone usually works best. Once you've dialed in offset, direction, blur, transparency, and color, take a moment to step back and preview your design. If something feels off, return to the controls and make small, deliberate tweaks. With these adjustments, your text will gain depth, clarity, and polish, all while fitting seamlessly into your Canva